Yo, good morning. How we doing?
Yeah,
Yo,
Kalimera. Good morning, brother.
Kalimera,
go.
brothers.
Good morning.
how we doing?
Guten Morgen. Bless my brother.
Bro,
Facing a new week.
I see you
Another
going
morning.
crazy. In Asian.
Yes, sir. AB went crazy though. Me.
Sorry, George, I didn't mean to interrupt.
Nah, you good, bro. You good.
No. Good morning. New week, baby.
Good morning, George. Good morning, Energy.
What?
Good morning, Hurja.
You say energy?
Yes, sir.
I did say energy.
Energy?
Like
No way. Energy.
Energy.
Let's go. If it's the same energy, then alright.
Yo, good morning,
Is there another one?
Spine. Yo,
Trader Steve
Hey.
knows the grand. I mean, she got lagging a little bit. Thought it was me.
Yeah, I think it was, all good.
I think it's fine now, right?
Yeah. Sertion. Good morning.
Hold on.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome in. Hope you had a super blessed weekend and already ready to tackle the next week, which is this one.
Sure. Good morning.
Sertion.
Kalimera, Sophia.
Bless us, brother.
Kalimera, Sophia.
And Trader
Thank
Steve.
you. And you
Lovely.
too.
Yo, we got a full house already, man. W.
Right?
Yeah. People want to trade.
Yeah,
Benji.
let's go.
Right. Well, since everybody wants to trade, let's pray, and then we can trade.
Sounds good.
W.
So, Jesus, thank you for this lovely and blessed day. Thank you for giving us yet another week where we can just do what we do and seek your kingdom in all that we do, Lord. So we thank you for this opportunity that you have brought us all together, that we may sharpen one another and just bounce ideas off each other. And I pray that you just go before us this entire week in all the sessions and all the things that we do off the charts, Lord. May we truly just seek your kingdom so that everything else will be added, Lord. We just thank you, we praise you, we give you all the glory. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen, brother. Hey.
TND.
Great
Great to see you, brother.
Yeah, finally, TND is back.
TND.
Now we can all win.
Morning, TND.
Right. Let's break down these charts and see what's going on.
Come here.
Let's take one quick look at the weekly. So last week we, if you guys remembered, we expected a bullish move up here once we closed out of this shop after the steep rejection wicks. We expected the weekly to fill this range, but we never did. Instead we came down, we closed below again, and yeah, we started filling some of that range we have until down here, and then yeah, this is the range we broke out from. Yeah, the weekly, what can we expect from the weekly now? Probably a top wick. Looks like weekly is about to create one here. So maybe if we can come up, tap into these resistances, and then later on we fill this wicks and tap into these supports on the weekly. So that's just what we can have in the back of our minds for this week, is this picture, right? So this would make sense to come up and then keep going down. But We can also look and keep in mind that this weekly closed almost no bottom wick and filled the range. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting how we react here on the daily, because yeah, this is just the zone we broke out from. So let's see how we gonna react there. But that's just for the rest of the week and the daily. So let's see what we can get for this session. We can have the 4-hour. Let me remove everything right here. So we have the 4-hour currently pushed down pretty heavily, and looks like we got into this. Yeah, we created like a range right here. Not the cleanest forward down there, but let's see what the 1 hour is doing. Yeah, we have some supports here and some resistance up here, and that gives us a little range going on here. So let's scale even lower down. Same on the 30-minute up here, and then we have some to adjust down here, and the 50-minute is pretty much the same. I'll just keep this right here. So now we got our range. The plan was to see a top wick, right? Let's see if that makes sense on the forward too. So the 4-hour, we already grabbed those highs on the previous, like we grabbed those previous highs, and now currently we are moving back down. So yeah, I like sells. Let's see if we can get some entries here. 30-minute close, but we closed right at this support. So let's mark this range up too. Okay. And yeah, I guess I would say that's.
Didn't you say we're in a little bit of a consolidation as well? Like on the 30, it's a little bit railroady.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in Asia, we already had like these moves, right? Where we came down, then we came all the way back up. We closed above, and then we came straight back down, and we closed right, like slightly below, and came straight back up. So
Right.
yeah, this is definitely a strong range, but it also has some clean ranges. This range has like clean range in it, right? So
Right.
yeah, I like trading it, but especially because we broke the 4-hour highs right here. So this
Okay.
was like a nice little liquidity grab right here. But now we didn't close below, and we also didn't close like up here, because then we would have some room to come down, right? But
Right.
we closed right here, so we closed right at it, giving us no range to trade in right here. So yeah, if this now drives, the next thing we can look for is, you know, possibly maybe a retest here, or if it closes below here, then something like this. But yeah, this would be a pretty good move if it just drives on us right now. Otherwise, we're gonna look for something like this. But let's see.
Yeah.
Sir.
I like
W.
it. I like it.
W now says
YOLO.
you know.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, W burn up. Good morning, Allison. How you doing?
Let's go.
Allison.
Allison, I can honestly say you were very, very missed in the chat last week. But it's good to see you back.
Yeah.
Vanilla Graham will be happy. Wait, what? Okay. I won't start that too early.
You already did though. So.
I know. He's not here yet though, so we're good. We're good.
YOLO.
YOLO. Morning, brother.
Morning, YOLO.
Also, Allison, your Gunners looking. It's not saying it's gonna happen, but it's looking nice. It's looking nice. Awesome. How's rugby over the weekend, George?
It was good.
Did the
There's
Bulls
lots of
win?
it. The Bulls lost, bro.
Ah,
Which is why I didn't really want to talk about rugby.
okay.
But
We wait till you're up
but
late.
it's okay.
Yo,
The South African national team won in sevens, so that's good. England lost, so that's also good. Yeah,
That's so good.
that's about it.
Love you, bro. Love you.
yo, guys, we got Lewis in here, bro.
Lewis,
The J.
yo,
The J.
Can't ignore the G
Hello.
like that, bro.
sorry, G.
W notices, you know.
Hey.
Thanks, bro. Let's see if it
Yeah,
plays out.
This is the first time I look at the chart since Friday. So,
To be honest, I'm proud of you.
so that being said, let me break down NQ real quick. Let's see what I see, bro. For now.
Yeah, I'll let YouTube see what you see.
Okay. Let me know.
Yep, you can go.
Get ready for the flashbang, everybody.
Nah,
No, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it.
He saved
Okay.
us.
don't flashbang us.
So, okay, so let's start with the 4 hour. Actually, let's look at the daily. I haven't really looked at the daily, but just looking at it real quick, you can see that we've been ranging pretty heavily. And last week, towards the end of the week, we actually started closing below this mess here. And then yesterday we obviously opened with no bottom wick, with the gap on the daily. So it still looks kind of messy. We may be able to find something kind of like setup on the lower time frames. And on the 4 hour, you can kind of see the same range that we've been trading in. And again, we've been ranging.
Oh,
You're a little bit underwater, Louis.
Yeah,
Just
a little bit underwater.
A little choppy.
I think it's like
So you gotta say in Spanish now. No, it's good. No, I still can't hear you though. You sound like this.
Yeah, it's like the microphone is like far away or something. That's how it sounds.
Louis.
Dude.
You know, go back to your screen until Louis gets sorted, or unless it's
Yeah.
hard to keep going back and forth.
Nah, it's not that hard.
I think he's having technical difficulties.
Yeah, some technical difficulties here. I'm looking at silver. Silver looks pretty nice, man. Silver's still in this range. Yeah.
Louis, we cannot hear you if that's what you asked.
Still nothing?
Oh, now we're good. No, that was good. That was good.
Does it sound clear?
Yeah,
Yep.
now
Or
it's
Yeah.
try.
Now it's sounding clear.
Let's try this again.
Alright, let's go.
All right, so 4 hour. We're at the 4 hour. So again, we've been bouncing off this resistance up here, or kind of not really big resistance, just a zone. Just a lot of rejections up here, a lot of rejections down here. And again, like I said, we actually closed below here last week on the 4 hour, but yesterday we opened above and we actually closed back in here. So really, all based off the 4 hour, the sells kind of make a lot more sense than the buys right now, especially with the market open having no bottom. So just looking at the session for the session 4 hours, I like the sales coming back down, maybe to kind of fill that gap and potentially reject back up. So if we look at the 1 hour actually looks like it's been just slowly pushing up. So again, the sales do look a lot better if we can get some kind of bearish candle. Kind of like it maybe an engulfing bearish candle would look better. Just again looking at this, I would say that the structure kind of looks like this. We kind of broke out of here to the top side, breaking this bearish structure. But if you look at this, we're still kind of following that trend since we never closed above here. You don't have that second break of structure, and then again you close below here. So kind of it's confirming the sell. So now as long as we don't break above this and start doing something like this, then we can continue our bearish bias. So for now, um, we'll keep looking at for sales. So in this case, we came down, closed here, rejected, broke this, broke below, and we're closing here. So if there can be some bearish closure on the 1 hour, then the sales look good to either come down to this zone or potentially all the way down here, which would be to fill that gap and give that market open a bottom wick or a strong bottom wick maybe to contest this low over here. That is what I see on the 1 hour. So 30-minute again, kind of been slowly trickling up there. So I have this line here just based off that where price bounced off at on the 1 hour, just here. And the 30-minute again, if there can be some kind of closures below here where it's breaking structure from like to the bottom side, something like this maybe, since it's coming up really no confirm low. So if it can come up here, kind of close below, or maybe kind of push price somewhere up here and then kind of retest somewhere in this range here and then come back down, that would be the move that I want to see. The 15-minute kind of does that. So I think if it breaks this low, it may kind of push towards here instead, and then let it retest again, and then take the sales back down. Just kind of confirming that since we've been really pushing more to the top side right now. So again, I'm more interested in sales. If we can start pushing a little bit closer and then kind of retest this zone we're in right now, and then take the sales back down. So like I said, maybe just something like this, let it push, and then retest something like this, and then take the sales back to the gap or the opening price down here. So, and then the move would basically come somewhere here. that would be the move that I'd be looking for.
All right,
Yeah, I like that, man.
makes sense too.
St. Louis.
Yeah.
I had my lullaby. Now I'm ready for sleep. Thanks, Lewis. His voice is so soothing.
Right, and it's not robotic.
Thanks, Lewis. W breakdown, brother. Nice.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, on Nasdaq,
Slowly, slowly coming
we
down.
took sells last night. AB called them out. Something like this.
Oh, it was NQ. You know?
Yeah, it was NQ.
Nice.
Yeah. So I had my stops like trailed, and I closed partials here. And yeah, W trade.
Nice, bro.
Sadly, didn't continue for full TP.
Yeah, so I guess that
Thank
trade
you.
that trade that AB took, well, I guess is what he wanted his TP to be. It's kind of like the same trade idea that I see for NQ still.
Yeah.
Just like the same level playing out again, basically.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I mean, we can all see that the gap is kind of like the target. Usually what it wants to do, especially with news or volume. And I mean, this week alone, we have what, FOMC?
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
I think so.
Ooh.
Okay, fine.
Hello, FOMC.
Yeah, on Wednesday.
W. Honestly, never even trade FOMC. I just look at it.
Yeah,
And if there's an
same.
entry, I'll take it. But usually there isn't. But maybe we hop on for an hour. No.
Got closures in 1 minute.
Yeah, on goalie, I added
Yeah,
this one more line.
15 for the range.
Because
Yeah,
we got some 1 hours here.
it's just that 15 support zone that we just tapped.
Yeah.
Was it off? Yeah.
Silver and gold kind of look the same. Silver don't have top wick on 15.
It just silver is in a smaller range.
Yeah.
Those are some heavy moves we had.
Yeah. This range is not small.
Mm-mm. Which is all wow. Which is also something to take into consideration if we get the setup we're looking for.
For sure.
Of sizing.
So full margins, that would choose.
Basically.
Okay.
I mean that's a one. How was your guys' weekend though? You guys all have a blessed weekend?
Yeah.
Always.
What a blessing, man. Yeah.
Oh.
Had some good food. Watched some good rugby. Nice sessions. It was yeah, it's great.
W,
And
bro.
you, Aaron?
Bro,
Everyone?
blessed. It was a blessed weekend as well. So
Yeah.
learned a lot. Stretched my patience, but that's always good, you know? We need that.
Okay, brother.
Yep.
If we ain't learning, if we ain't
We
growing,
learn.
we just dying.
W, bro. It's his life
Yes, sir.
to grow and evolve. All right, London. We're gonna be about that action today.
You're setting the tone for the week, London.
Mm-hmm.
Pull up.
Pull up. I mean, 4-hour wick fill if we break them lows, but
Yeah. The 30-minute close slightly below this 30-minute supports, but we still got this 1 hour we are facing. This would be right at the break of the low, so yeah, I need a closure
Yeah.
below.
closure below.
And the 50
Oh, I
looks
can
like
help
it's
that.
about to pull back.
Yeah. Now we just got nothing but time.
Gold actually looks pretty clean, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like
Yeah,
London's
okay.
actually gonna see a good move.
Yeah, I think so too.
Is that still Lewis? You guys promise?
So-
Nah. Yo, good morning, Vishal.
Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, my brother.
We got Orchid. Welcome back, Orchid.
Walker the G.
Yeah, the Bulls didn't want to play that second off, Walker. It's weird. They just didn't want to play.
Bro, W message in testimonials. Once again, Orchid.
Yeah.
Huge, bro. Thank
Made
you.
me emotional.
Right.
It's amazing. Yeah.
Shout out AB Bootcamp.
And we got Upendra. Let's go. Yeah, Upendra also ate in Asia.
Let's go.
Pinger, you fool? Or you trying to eat some more? The community right here? Yes, sir. Walker. The best community in the game. 5 none. W, Pinger.
Upendra.
It's so good when
So-
everyone is involved. W, bro. Who wants to come on down to the Price is Right?
Hmm.
Do you guys have that show? The Price is Right.
Yeah.
Question, right?
I think we don't have it, but I think the whole world knows about that show.
Okay.
I don't.
You don't?
Maybe I do.
I mean, there's often like jokes about it in other shows and stuff. So
M&Q short going well. Steve Allison. Lewis.
Let's go. Yeah, they look good. I just want to see like the cells just push and then kind of like that retracement and then the cells just to confirm that it actually wants to push down and not keep trickling up, you know.
Trickle, trickle.
you accidentally
So-
made $800, Upendra. W.
Darn it.
Sounds like Lewis.
Oopsies.
Hate when that happens. Right?
Yeah,
Bro.
that sounds like something I would do.
Dang, I wish my finger would slip and I would accidentally enter a trade and take a W.
Lewis, have you done that lately?
I have not.
Yeah. W, bro. But I don't know if it's a W because you're kind of like undefeated by when you're doing it. So
He's not undefeated.
But see but the thing is, I guess dang, I lost my train of thought. Whenever that happens, like I'm not even on the chart and I don't even see it, and I don't even see it playing out. I just get back on there and it's there, and, and sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not.
Bro, the funniest one was the count. You're up like 50 bands.
Oh, dude, that account, I haven't even opened that account. I can't even use it.
Alright, so goalie broke the forward lows. We got some push out of this. 15 is just to overextend it and everything. 30-minute also closed like slightly below, but the 1 hour was still open, and let's see if we can close below on the 1 hour, and then I would like to see if we do so, like a 15 bearish and then another 15 being bullish but below, so we have some fresh support on the 15, because right now it looks like the 15 might run out of power and pull back soon.
Yep.
What's your strat? Our strategy is pretty simple, I would say. We mark out our zones that we base off of candle closures, and we get our bias of the daily and the forward, and based off just the price action that we see on the charts. We don't use any indicators, and then we have a few different setups, which we have a playbook on the Discord you can look at. We have all the plays listed up, and once they form, we're gonna execute on them. We like to take cells of resistance, bias of support, pretty simple. Breakouts only with an extra confirmation, at least in those markets we are trading lately. And then we also have fake outs, we have and we have some impulse trades sometimes at high volume times. So yeah, we are always chasing the high volume, right? We only trade if we have a good amount of volume in the market, so that's also important for our strategy.
W. That was actually a pretty quick sum up of how we trade.
Yeah.
But I would have answered it this way: we trade price action. Thank you very much. But you know,
that doesn't do.
Gave so much. W, bro. W.
Big W though.
What's your strat, boss, Mr. Rabumus?
Right?
Or are you still looking for one?
Yeah, welcome though. Welcome. For my first time seeing you, so welcome to the stream, brother.
And if you're new to the stream, we do have a Discord where you can see everybody's chart and check out their strat, whether it's George, it's like the screen that you see, Lewis, trading NQ, and my screen as well. Also AB when he's here, the GOAT. You can see his screen. So yeah, feel free to join our Discord, Arm Parliament Miss. And we would love to have you, or anybody else for that matter. And free Discord available. Join us. We'd love to have you. W.
W. You want to try to repronounce that name? That was awesome.
I tried. I did my best. It almost like messed up my whole train of thought.
Yeah.
RPMWs.
I tried my hardest.
Average win rate and average RR. Let me see. I think we all have around the same with the strategy, but so I got like a 74% win rate, with a 1.1 RR.
Yeah, my accounts vary. I usually get like a 1.5 RR. There's also a 70 plus minus win rate.
Not yet on this account though, but the win rate is. Oh, we'll get there. We'll get there. But yeah, I would say the strategy has about like a 75% win rate with like a 1-to-1 RR on our trades. We look to have like a 1-to-1 at least.
At least.
Yeah. Yeah.
Usually, if the trade is not a 1-to-1, we're not executing on it. So
Exactly.
And some trades, of course, that 1-to-1 never gets hit, or we do close earlier because the trade either gets pushed out way too long, and then it's almost like a new range is formed, and it's just not worth it to be in these trades. But we are, I would say, 9 out of 10 times we're waiting for that 1R, at least. But a little some would like to hold a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So sometimes we push for that too.
Yeah, I think in trending markets it's easier.
Giving us that 5R. Yeah, for
Maybe
sure.
really not a little hold. Sure.
No stress, sure. Ask anything you like.
Yeah. Appreciate the questions.
Yeah, for sure.
Right? Otherwise, we're up here talking about the weather.
True.
Speaking of, how's the weather in Germany?
Oh.
Oh,
No sun again, bro.
Yeah, it's gray and rainy.
Right.
Oh,
Great, man.
you guys out there wishing for sun? I'm out here wishing for rain, bro.
Sorry,
Oh,
we'll be
yeah, we get rain tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm
And
gonna be like you guys now, wishing for sun.
see,
for
and
next week.
that's
I
how
don't know
life
if I
is.
can live in. I don't know if I can live in Greece and be wishing for rain.
See, you always wish for what you don't
Bro.
have. That's how life
Facts,
is.
it's so true, bro. It's so true.
If you have sun every
And
day
then you
for
move to a place. Sorry.
yeah, if you have like sun for a couple of months straight, then you're happy for some rain.
Yeah,
Makes
I get
sense.
happy for some rain here, bro. It's cozy, it's nice. Then the air just smells so fresh. That's my favorite part.
Yeah.
It smells so fresh, and all the dust settles. It's like the earth is getting a factory reset. I like it.
Yeah. Okay, so the 15 closed below now. We still, I still couldn't execute on this because we are too overextended on the 15. I don't want to be part of the pullback. I'd rather wait it out and then profit off it.
I agree. Also, it's about 40 pips to the target zone on the
Yeah.
15. And almost 100 pip stop loss. So, is it worth it? Absolutely not. For me.
Yeah, this is our strategy right here on the screen.
W, bro. W. 99% drawdown, 1% TP. W.
98% win rate.
Hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Now we're kidding. Full margin traders.
What could we like here?
Yeah,
That's us.
Who said that?
I would like if the
You
15
can,
goes bullish but below. And then we have a 1 hour closure, like a breakout on London Open. If If we have the volume, we can break through this on the left.
I'd also would be interested to see us just come down to about like 78.6 is kind of like this area-ish. And basically hold this level, and I would be interested then in trying to take buys back up. But that's if everything were to play out like that.
Okay. So basically, you like buys, but only if that target gets tapped, right?
Yes,
I can
exactly.
see that, Aaron.
Thank you, George.
You said it, bro.
I see that level on the 15.
Yeah, I'm really liking it off the 5
Hmm.
personally. But obviously using higher time frame confluence. But again, this is just kind of something I'm just looking for. But let's see what happens as of, how it unfolds.
Silver Dune.
Does you ever trade ES?
Yeah. I think last year. I mean, I like both NQ and ES. Last year I was trading more ES, and I guess it was more because NQ was wild, and ES is a little bit more calm. Kind of like, I don't want to say kind of like gold, because gold's been very volatile, but yeah, it moves just like NQ, but it's just very, very more calm.
Less likely to get wigged out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, especially at higher volume times too.
Stupid dogs. Yo, you see Ethereum, bro? It's doing something.
What? Bro, don't make me go
Yeah.
check.
Oh my god, Pepper is up 16%.
Oh, okay,
bro.
I'm loving
You know.
Pepper pumping, holy.
Am I rich? Oh my god.
Am
Yeah.
I rich?
I'm looking at Ethereum, I'm like, oh damn, nice. 3%. Then I look at Pepper. Oh,
19%,
40%.
bro.
Let's go.
20? Dang.
It's
Crazy,
flying.
for years, guys, she's been telling me about Pepe. George,
Years.
bye. George, bye.
It is.
I'm not
This is the
liquid
low,
yet. I'm
George. You
not
can't go
liquid
any
yet.
lower.
And then this guy, yeah, I'm up 36% today, but overall about 600%.
So I'm like,
I'm down to being
Yeah.
up 600%.
Guys, when Yoshi's a billionaire, just remember that this man held Pepe for forever. All right. So when Pepe's at $1 and Yoshi's a billionaire, just remember this conversation. That's all I'm trying to say. And make friends with Yosh now. So
No financial advice though.
right, exactly. Not financial. Thank you.
Because they're gonna call him lucky. And he's
Right.
been in from the beginning.
I was lucky. I was lucky holding it and buying more.
Yeah. It's just luck, bro.
Yeah. Hey, there's always the next bull run.
Oh yeah. How many times have we seen this? We've seen this too many times. Never give up. Never give up.
you think you'll hear some good news this Wednesday, Janos?
I hope so, yeah. I think so. Some rate cuts would come in handy.
What do you think he has to say? Or what do you think it has to happen?
Definitely rate cuts to begin with, and then wars being stopped. Yeah, I
Yep.
think that would be enough already, honestly. But there's
If
a
it
few
ain't Jerome
things.
Powell, I don't want to listen.
So Goldie bleeded, then is what you're saying? You know?
Yeah, I think so. Gold should be bleeding at some point, man. But yeah, at the end of the day, it's still Goldie. So,
W.
and we get all the world leaders going kind of crazy at the moment. So let's see.
Kind of crazy. Oh wait, bro, chill. We gotta like still be able to travel, bro. We can't. We love everybody. But yeah, W, bro. I know what you mean. Five minutes. 1 hour. Just hanging around.
Oh, bro, that gets me every time. Me? No,
Just hanging around.
just hanging.
Little Juice is a legend.
Oh, bro, he's such a G.
But weird price action kinda on Goldie.
Yeah,
These
slow
up and
down.
downs. Daily
It's like-
is really unsure where to go.
What's new, bro? What's new with the daily?
Yep. Anybody else eyeing any moves? Anybody eyeing sells or anything? In the chat, just curious. Anybody looking at any other pairs? Looking at anything or is in a trade and they want to tell us?
Or don't want to tell us.
Or don't want to tell us? Or get some opinions. Silver can cook something up.
Let's see.
See what you are you looking like buys cooking up because immediate reaction. Oh,
What's the trade? We are looking for potential sells on Goldie. But yeah, we need some more closures. Right now we just already pushed down a lot, so makes sense to expect some sort of a pullback here before we can keep selling. So yeah, that's currently the plan. Need a 15 bottom wick though. Yeah.
1 hour looks clean though, close below.
Yeah, the 1 hour looks good on gold.
W Edison.
Yeah.
Nice.
JW.
If I were to trade NQ, I think that's how I would trade it too. Quick scalps. Stay away from 930.
Yeah, those. Yeah, the scalps are really nice. Some quick moves.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think what works with scalps on NQ is when you like when you have the direction and you have that clean read. Those scalps are like money. Like every time you take a scalp, is like you for sure you're gonna see some green.
Yeah, NQ moves so quick. Last night too, when
It-
every time it moves, it's just
Yeah.
like a price teleports kind of.
Yeah, you like seeing those quick moves too.
Why is crypto pumping like this?
No, but I love it. I'm here for it.
Don't ask questions, don't ask questions. Accept it blindly.
But I know nothing. You know how it works.
Act like you don't care.
Let me check X. Let me check.
Don't check it. Don't check it.
What are my pepper friends saying?
It's saying if you check X, it's gonna go down. I'm gonna spill my coffee, bro. That was almost a terrible, terrible thing that just happened.
Oh,
But it didn't happen. Thank God.
wasn't decaf.
Mm-mm. Welcome. Not George. Ah!
Hey.
I know, it was one time. It's an emergency. And also shout out Black Forest Stillwater, glass bottle. You guys already know.
Can't forget.
Yeah, people say we're going to 1 cent now. They go crazy. Yeah, but I don't know why it's pumping though.
So we got the closure.
Yeah, we close below in the 1 hour. I think I like a sell sub if we can grab the previous 15 highs. That's the only way I could get into this.
Yeah, and then everything else is based off of the 1 hour was a whipped fill.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it looks good for the wick. We've already grabbed all those highs, so we shouldn't really be coming all the way back up. Got London open, so if we do manage to grab those highs, so I'll start this
Hello?
interesting.
Yeah. But if we don't grab them, then I'm not too sure.
I agree, it's pretty risky because the previous 15 has no bottom wick, and we did technically print a support.
Yeah.
Previous 30 closed nice bearish, but the range is not so big on the 30. But the 1 hour has now finally made a closure below the zone with the wick to fill and high times of volume. But we need extra confirmation because the lower time frames are almost at target.
Yeah.
Just wait.
And the point of breaking the highs here is that we get buyers in
Yep.
that then end up being our liquidity if we break the lows, because that's where they're probably gonna have their stop losses if they get activated up here, right? So that's gonna be our entry, and then we get a push that will help us in our position. But yeah, we need the break of the highs. Otherwise we might be the liquidity if we get in too early and then we get in here and price just nips us in, and then we break above here, then we're getting stopped, and then we were too early.
W. W recognition.
Close. Came close, but it didn't break the highs.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's see if it bleeds.
Let's see. Seller's definitely activated. Oh, looking at silver now. Didn't break the lows.
Yeah, and now we come back up. See if it breaks the highs now.
Yeah, it's weird because it opened down first and then came up, broke the highs, didn't break the previous highs, then came back, broke the low again, and
Yeah.
then rejected.
We never broke the previous low.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
didn't
that
break the low.
either.
Yeah. 5 minutes about to close. Yak closure. Not so lekker.
Yeah, closure. Not so lekker.
That's hilarious. Nick Select.
No. That's not how you said it.
Select. Yeah, you're right. Why am I going against the
Not
English?
so lekker. Yeah, bro.
The English is the greatest language. Yeah, you heard me.
English is okay.
So then I can say do.
Ray?
Dean Morse.
It's our trade. What's up, brother?
Yo, Zar Trader. And we still didn't broke those highs, man. Come on.
We're close. It wants to. It's tempting us.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's fooling around.
man.
Yeah.
I would have a sell sub if we did. We'll take a nap back to NY. Alright, Empandra, see you later, bro.
Hey, W, bro.
I had a
Preserve
Pendra.
capital.
It's pippin' and dipping.
Yes, sir.
That's cool, bro. Makes the most sense.
Yeah, it's always nice when you already doing on the day and you can just say, "Hey, I can take a nap. I don't need pips."
Mhm.
Yeah, Pendra's been killing it, so W.
For real.
Yeah.
Oh, Goldie, what are you gonna do?
Boring.
Right. Silver trying to reject out of there. Come up.
Oh yeah.
So- but 1 hour also. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, Goldie,
What
I don't
don't you
know.
I don't know you. Sorry.
I don't know you.
Yeah, I get you, Zar. I get you, bro. Crazy London Open volume, though, I must say. This is mind blowing. I'm shivering in my seat.
So I like this weekly open so far, man. This quarterly open. Getting flashbanged by such a green candle on crypto. Dang.
W flashback.
Yeah. Opening the charts and I was like, dang. Am I seeing right?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Goldie is stuck in this candle. Holy. I mean, it's not been breaking either highs or lows on that candle, so.
Just gathering orders.
Yeah. So if anybody's in here, man, that's what we mean. It's just, you need some extra confirmation for it to move for the most time. Sometimes, of course, you'll just get a random bleeder and it'll play out, but yeah, markets give signs for when it's ready to move, and I think you need to break those highs first to get a clean move, really. W say. Nice, nice.
W, bro.
Yeah, it's always good to wait a little. It will
Now
up your
remember
win
this,
rate.
brothers. Remember this the next time you see this and it drives straight to TP. And you didn't take it. Remember this.
Yeah. So now
This
we
is
broke the
why.
highs. But now we also only got 4 minutes on the candle, so we're just gonna wait it.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Ow.
But yeah, if we still close below and then get a top wick on the next candle, I still like the sell stop then. Because we grabbed the highs now. So we got buyers in. Let's see if they will play out for them. Or if we can get insults.
Give me 2 minutes.
Mm-hmm. If we sell, we want to wait. So we always wait on candles to close. So we want to see this 15-minute remain below. And then if it does, we're gonna have a sell stop probably on the break of these 1 hour lows, so down here. So only if we break the previous 1 hour lows, the price breaks through that, that's when we would get activated into our sell. So we need two things to happen right now. We got 3 minutes to wait on. If we close above, then yeah, we gotta wait on the next 15 to maybe close back below. But yeah, That's the plan for now. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's see if goalie waits. Because the thing is, you don't want to get activated on like the last 2 minutes of the candle. Let's say we would place a sell stop right here. And then we come down and we get activated on the last, let's say 20 seconds of the candle, and then it closes right here, no bottom wick. And the next one opens up and we will be in the top wick of the next candle. And we will be in drawdown for no reason. Because we could have just waited, you know, on this closure and then have some extra confirmation.
You technically don't know where how high that top wick is gonna be, basically, which is the last confirmation. Because then you can put your stops.
Yeah.
W, you know, W.
Damn, goalie. Wait.
Silver trying now as well. Silver might do it as well.
Yeah, he got like 105 pips stop loss here for 70 pips advantage point. Alright, there we go. The lows broke.
Yeah.
Well, let's see. If
Silver
we close
just broke
below,
below.
if we close below here, I think it's still not looking bad. But dang, goalie couldn't wait like 2 minutes.
Nope. I got the sell signal, bro.
You got the Celtic.
Yeah.
Alright, we got our final confirmation.
Alright.
W.
You got the IRB sell 2.0, everyone.
Damn, Goldie.
But yeah, it would be awkward to be in this position right now.
Yep.
Because if we
Don't be
close,
scared.
if we close above, then you want to get out.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. That's it. The 30 support is right here. Yeah.
That would be previous. Take the wig, Bill.
I can't.
It's difficult, bro.
Yeah, if
Like,
it breaks the highs
we-
again
we
now,
have to-
then yes, but
It's difficult. The 1 hour
Would
looks
you
pretty
say-
nice. 30 at support, 50 now also nearly at support. If we do manage to break this high and stop out the impatient sellers, then sales to continue down look pretty good. Oh, you see, we would have been instantly
yeah. Let it break
in
the highs.
drawdown.
Let's see.
Yeah, we just broke the highs.
Alright, I'm gonna have a sell stop now.
Me too, yeah. Now the impatient sellers a lot of them have been stopped because we broke these lows and now we broke these highs. Now we can trust if we re-break these lows, the 1 hour looks pretty good for this week.
Yeah, we're going to manage at these supports.
This board on the left thoughts. Yeah. We've definitely taken all of that into consideration. I probably should not blind these are pretty strong supports, but the 1 hour
Yeah.
has closed very healthily below. We've gotten the extra confirmation of lows breaking and highs breaking right afterwards. So we do have wicks to fill. We might not even want to close below these supports, but it would make sense if we do fill this wick.
Yeah, and I think we got like 60 pips or something, 50 pips, and we can manage. And yeah, I think we also have the volume right now to, if we now break the lows again, that's why we waited on the re-break of those highs, right? We broke the lows, we re-broke the highs, and now if we break the lows again with the volume and the direction on our side, I think we can get the push through. That's where we go break even, and then if we get the continuation, we can close partials, everything. We got our stops to break even, so if we then pull back and still close above at the end, we don't care. We already got our move, right? So it's gonna be, we're just aiming for a quick piece of the cake. Forex close, no bottom wick.
Close without bottom wick. Yeah, trade your chart, some boy.
So makes sense.
Trade your chart. If I was trading Forex and no bottom wick, it's simple for me. No trade, even no matter what the future chart is showing.
W some boy.
And if we don't get activated on this, then we just avoided the loss. See, because if we would have entered on this candle and we didn't wait, we would be in drawdown right now, because we wouldn't have closed anything there, right? This is, let me remove the other position for a second, because we would have been activated right there and our partials would have been here. So we would have just seen 30 pips and now we would be in drawdown for the same amount, and we would be hoping that we do not come back up, close above, break these highs. But since we waited, now we can just sit here and literally don't care about what price is doing until we get activated. And I think if we get activated, that's where we get the push. That's the plan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but now if you take an L on this trade, we can say we were patient and we waited on everything to form. And it's not that we impatiently jumped on a trade because we had the FOMO. We saw the price moving and we just wanted to be in it. That makes the difference.
W Benji. Benji, which one you like better? The live account, even though it's Forex, or XFAs in futures? Probably just pros and cons of both, right?
Why is selling if it goes below 30 minutes to overextend it? No. Yeah, you could say 30 minutes needs a pullback, but I really base this more off the 1 hour. And if you look at the 1 hour, we grab those highs and now we close below this support. So this makes up for a really, really good trade. And we waited on a steep top wick on that 1 hour, and we already broke the lows twice. And now if we break the lows again, based off the lower time frames on the 15 and everything that we just marked up, I think that's where we get this wick fill. So we go break even here and then close partials here, or full. I'll probably just close full there. But yeah, you're right. The 30-minute does look a little bit like it wants to pull back, but yeah. Higher time frame, the 1 hour looks good. But I think if goalie wants to move up, we should not come back down now, because that's what we avoided, right? We were aware of these supports, so we don't just get in on the next break of the lows where we just, once you get into the move, we actually know how the markets move, so we want to see it break lows, break highs, play a little bit around, get some impatient traders in, and then now the impatient trader gets stopped out. We are not in a trade, and if the move would have happened downwards, we would have been in it, and you can see now this push up could have been the push down if you broke the lows, right? So we got the volume out also. And yeah, now we the worst thing that happened to us is we didn't get a trade, but yeah, since we were looking for sells and sells didn't really play out here, W. So we got the 30-minute closing back inside the range, and yeah. Are you interested in buys, George?
Yeah.
I think they are looking pretty good too.
Because now let's look the 1 hour. Let's ignore it for now. We did get the closure blow, but we did break the previous 1 hour low already, and now we're rejecting. Reasons for possible rejection is that the 30 tapped full target, as did the 15. The 15 now did close below in the previous, but this one may now want to close back above, and we're getting the fake out to then come back up. 30-minute may print a very strong support. And the moment I see this, I just delete my sell stop. Although at the time the 1 hour looked really good, but now we're getting signs that we may not want to continue down from here just yet. We may want to continue down at some point in the day because of this 4 hour. But for the time being, right now, we're just focusing on the session of this morning. We may want to come back up into the range if we do close back above. So I am interested in buying.
Yeah, I like a closure above 56. Because then there's like the 30-minute resistance support.
Oh, 50.06, bro. I was like,
Yeah, 50.06. Yeah, 06.
Where you trading, bro?
I was like, yo, for it.
Yeah, I like using the 02 on the 15. It looks really clean.
Yeah, it looks clean too.
Silver looks clean too for buys.
This was the volume we're waiting for. W.
Yeah.
At least it came.
I feel lekker to short MCL at the top of range.
Oh, shorting MCL. Czar. You're definitely South African.
Ayo, and
W, bro.
good morning, Lee Jack. I just saw your message. I don't know how I missed it.
Hey.
Good morning, Lee.
On our fake out possible. Yep, it's fine. We could just repeat what we did earlier. Just stay in this range until NY maybe, and keep going up and down and inside this job. But as we said, this is a pretty clean job, right? We have clean ranges inside this 1 hour block that we just printed. So yeah, as we can see, price is moving pretty clean up and down inside this. So this is some sort of range I'm willing to take a trade in. Yeah, we need the closure, like always.
Benji, that's too funny. Boy, slippage like Gerard.
Aaron, I had to laugh out loud for that one too.
Right. That's cold. Oh man, I love it. I'm here for it.
Dang. Goldie moving and my Wi-Fi slipping.
Why it be like that?
30-minute above 6. What about the 1 hour that closed below? Support to be considered that we have tap targets below and it's time to move up. Something like that, Spartas. The reason why we have immediately switched bias is because the truth is we have grabbed that previous 1 hour low and we did not drive. It did have a topic, but we did not drive. And now we are breaking current highs and the lower time frames, although we weren't too worried about this before when we were looking for sells because we had a wick to fill and the 1 hour was closing below. We expected that volume would pretty much break that low and drive, but we never re-broke that low, which obviously made us delete the sell stops. And now we're looking at buys because we have technically tapped these targets. Now, let's say the previous 1 hour low had not been broken. I would be a lot more wary to take buys, a lot. But now we have grabbed those lows. We have activated sellers, and most of the impatient sellers have probably already been stopped because of this push up. And now if we look at the lower time frames being the 30 and the 15, if we do close back above, it looks good to fill the rest of the range. Does that make sense? All right, brother.
Yes, sir. So basically, the target was tapped on the sell idea. And now this is why you flip to buys, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, full target for me, it wasn't really tapped because we do have that wick to fill, but this mainly is based off of the fact that we have grabbed that previous low now and we did not drive. So then we
Right.
go to the lower time frames and see that yes, perhaps these supports are proving a bigger issue than we anticipated. But if we did re-break that low, like you know said, I would have expected it to push, but we never re-broke it. So
Yeah, and this is what the cells would have looked like, right? We would have had the stops right here. This is where most of the people are gonna have their stops, so they got stopped out on this. Now, interesting that goalie is pulling back, and we might close below still. Let's see.
They also
sadly there will be nothing for me then.
didn't even see 1 pip if the seller if they got activated early.
Yeah.
That's
sometimes, you know, it might seem stupid to some of you that we just, you know, see the price move and everything basically that we waited on, and then we are holding off because we want to see it, you know, get early buyers in and then some sellers in, and then yeah, we just want that extra confirmation that it makes sense, because often that will happen, and then if we didn't wait it, we would have been in here on the break of the lows and would have taken a fat L on that one, right? And now with like waiting on that stuff and seeing this happening and play out, we just avoided that loss, and that's basically like a W2, because normally we would have executed, and now yeah, those rules saved us.
trades we don't take. W, bro.
On our salary, let's see. Yeah, it might at 30 minutes.
Salary.
Yeah, we closed below on everything. 15, 30 minutes. Honestly, I think the sells make sense if we come up now, break those highs again, and then have a sell stop on the current break of the lows. Base of the 30-minute would be like some salary with a liquidity grab. You see what I mean?
Yeah. I'm a holder, but I do see what you mean.
Yeah. Yeah, we also have to see what the volume is doing at that time.
Yeah.
Because that move requires some volume.
still sitting overall in that big range too, you know, that we talked about at the beginning.
Yeah.
Still tradable, of course, but
I mean, we had London open, so now was a good time to get out of it, and like we're still struggling. Yeah, silver made a nice support here, man. Close above. So if you guys are silver traders
those buys.
and you like this range, yeah, I think on silver that's basically the setup we were looking for on goalie right now. But yeah. Silver is too crazy for me, man, honestly.
Right.
One
Like
micro
trading
silver. Oh,
you.
60 pip stops, nothing, bro. I'm
Oh, yeah, that's-
500 bucks.
That's basically my whole account.
Right. And the teleportation,
So
bro.
not too bad.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, give me some teleportation on gold. I'll take it.
Be careful what you
Especially
ask for.
London. Bro, like we shoot up here crazily now on gold, and now it's just like, yeah,
Right.
I'm tired.
You know what?
You know, maybe I do want to go down.
Maybe not today.
Yeah, bro. There's a 100-meter sprint and then chills for like an hour.
Bro. Hey, you know that one kid on the team?
Yeah.
It's actually hilarious.
Good morning, David.
Davey.
You guys don't hear
I was
that
thinking
music
David.
coming through my microphone, do you?
No.
Okay. I hope they get evicted. Good morning, David. Good to see you, brother.
Sometimes gotta be done, bro. Hope you came back recharged, ready to go. Looking like it.
W, David. Yeah, don't rush anything.
Yeah. W, man.
You've passed so many combines, bro, so don't rush it.
For real.
Let's go, David.
You copy trading those or just gonna just take it one day at a time?
I don't know why, but copy trading more than 3 accounts just doesn't work out for me. So far.
I agree, bro.
When
Four?
I got
Too much. No.
when I got a full batch of combines, like 5, I don't know what happened to me. I just went too high risk on those and I blew them. And that was so expensive. Because it was all no activation fees.
Yeah, it's different to playing one combine, right?
Yeah, especially if you don't have like really clean trending markets, then I don't know. It's not easy to pass them in 2 trades because you can't trust the
Yeah.
full move. It's better if you secure some partials and then you won't pass it in like 1 trade. But yeah, gotta adapt. A split over top step and lose it. Nice one. You mean bullish one? Alpha?
Yeah, I think he's referring to the new range that it created. So
But yeah,
February to
the problem is that
998.
we still close below everything. Then see, we got this on the 15, and we got this on the 30. So let's see the 1 hour. You also got the 1 hour closing in 22 minutes. If you want buys, you want the 1 hour to close back above, so you got like a fake out going on the 1 hour. And yeah, for the 15, you want it to close above here, and then on the 30 minute, you want to close it above here. So as long as you don't get any of these closures, I think, yeah, it's not ready.
I agree.
But if this wouldn't be like, if this would have been down here, and then you get the salary, yeah, that would have been some extra confirmation for that buy. But then this breakout would have been looking good already. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Yeah, I agree. Orchid price action is a little bit weird. I mean, we had London open, and this is what we did. We broke highs and lows previously, a lot of times, and we never got the push, right? We just we basically just moved down before London open. So, but the 1 hour on Goldie looks good to bleed now. I'm just not. I just can't take this because now we have 165 pips on the 1 hour, and then you have only a 53 pip wick fill to this. And yeah, it's just not worth it taking anymore. Also, I don't like Orchid said, the price action is kind of spooky with all those fake outs going on here. But yeah. It's interesting. If you look at it, we broke the highs right here, and we broke the lows here, and we broke the highs here, and now we broke the lows here. So this is really sad for the buyers and the sellers, because they both got stopped. That's not the price action you want to see.
Already.
Yeah.
HDT key. W, brother.
W, man.
Yeah. David Ockard, nothing for me. It's too tricky.
Al.
Yeah.
Al Laren.
Laren.
Laren, bro.
Laren.
I'll jump into something else, but Laren or Laren?
Yeah, I was just thinking about if Goldie closes below here, but it's gonna be tough. Like we won't even make it.
Yeah, I agree. Only interested in sales now if we close below these support zones. Yes, Tamar, I agree for the time being.
See if we actually break lows now. Goldie doing the same?
Yeah, Goldie already broke the lows.
Yeah, and coming back up.
Mhm. Yeah. Yeah.
YOLO, we had some NQ cells in Asia. Yeah, and then I think AB AB also took some cells on MGC.
He
But,
can't be stopped.
Actually, I think he got stopped on that trade, but
Bro.
NQ was a
gotta
dub.
You gotta say all that.
Hey,
Even though.
we gotta be honest, yeah. We gotta be honest.
You're right. W transparency.
Yeah. Hey, that's just how it is. You know, we won't win every trade. Nobody does. So obviously,
Can't
it's
win them
gonna-
all.
Preach, brother.
What?
What?
Not doing.
We're not winning all of them. I'm quitting.
There, I'm done. That's me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Keep gambling, guys. Keep gambling.
With the losing strategy, then.
Yes, sir, David. Sadly.
Looks like the 15 gonna close below, but still above. Below the most recent, but above those. So, yeah, still nothing.
Nothing.
Just inside the range.
Morning all. Hope you have a great week. Had a great weekend. Managed to get over the jet lag. Do a few jobs. Opened the house and got my. Of course you opened the house, bro. Of course you did that. Like who doesn't do that?
Yo,
on a
AJ.
regular week?
Glad to have you back.
Got my Harley out of the winter storage. W, you gotta send some pics on the Harley, bro. You got it. W, AJ.
AJ getting
bro.
ready for the summer. It's gonna be a good summer. Not for the prop firms, though.
Oh no.
Shiver me timber.
They better watch out. There's some coming.
For real. That was hilarious.
Oh, you know.
good one, Janosh.
That was golden.
It's
That was good.
just facts.
Not for the problem.
Alright, Ocker. Ocker, send me a DM, please, sir.
Okay.
That's a belief. Peace, brother. Have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Have a blessed Monday, brother.
Yeah, personally for me, I'll give Goldie 15 more minutes to play.
Play ball.
Me too.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that closure gonna tell a lot anyway.
Mhm.
sir. Thank you up to Lewis.
And Q,
Anything?
No good.
Got the
and Q kind
dawn.
of came up, and now it's pushing down again. So it's still playing the same range. I think kind of like Goldie. Like if it closes below this 15 here, still makes sense to come down. Still kind of that move that I'm expecting for it to come down somewhere in this range, and then bounce off of that, and then kind of retest the same zone we're at, and then the sales from here. So the sales from here look good, but they kind of look more like a breakout right now. If we were to wait on the sales, let it push, then retest, and then take the sales back, kind of more confirmed.
Love you, bro. Good morning, AB. Oh, and look around. 2 goats in the building. Let's get it.
The grand. Good morning, brother. A B A B A B.
AB, AB, AB. So I was gonna
Awaken.
AB.
Alpha Futures
morning,
finally launched the Alpha trading platform. Looks very similar to TradeSea. Okay, AJ, keep us updated on that. Just like you were the
that's-
tester outer for Lucid, you gotta be the tester outer again,
Hey, don't tell me what a good time, AJ.
right? Who's gonna capitalize? George gonna capitalize. You know it's gonna capitalize. AB gonna capitalize. I'm gonna capitalize. Sorry.
So Alpha
If I know
Futures,
something, I'm gonna capitalize.
Alpha Futures gonna be the next one. Yeah, I got for every prop firm challenge I printed out one of the PDFs of the certificates of passing a challenge. So this wall is getting pretty filled up right now. If we get to another prop firm. I'm running out of space here, man.
Right. Trophies.
The wall of prop firm.
All right, let's sign up for Alpha Features then.
40%. I'm upstairs with it.
I'm definitely more into buys on Goldie and on silver, but in terms of getting in and how we get there, no clue, bro. And for me, price is kind of just like too choppy. It's kind of everywhere. That's my current.
Yeah, price currently is chopping, just going inside.
Yep.
15.
And I know once we get off, price will juice or bleed. And
Sujay, I hope you got your work today, bro. You got some sleep after Asia.
Yeah, probably don't want to lose the job just yet.
Yeah. He said he has to go today, otherwise he's losing it. So I hope you went, bro.
he's like, well. He said, I went in to quit.
W.
Oh, we just here to play with our emotions. It's not gonna work because it's a Monday.
I'll send a chat for the office.
Yeah. Yeah.
See why I wasn't too like jumpy on the sales for Nasdaq.
Mm-hmm.
Although that 15 closed below here, the next this one that we're in now broke the lows and it now it's pushing above. So that's why I wanted to push, see this push come down, and then see the rejection back up, and then maybe kind of close like this, and then that closure somewhere here, somewhere under this green line, the sales from there make a whole lot more sense. Just something like that.
Yeah, most people get impatient. They see the closure
Right.
below and like, yeah, price should tap here and then come up and then come down, but I want to take the move down. And then something like this happens.
Yeah, it's better to just be patient, especially on Monday. Week just started, try to set the foundation up for the rest of the week.
Yes, sir.
Plenty of game left this week.
We should call you Lewis F.
Not a game.
Lewis F?
Yeah, because it's
YF.
I didn't follow that one.
Lose facts.
Oh.
Facts.
It's not lose G
Sound like
anymore. Lose F.
Oh man, that's funny. 30 minute looks nice. 30 minutes, to be honest, Tamar looks pretty interesting. It does. We've grabbed all the lows. So we'll see.
Before the 30, I would kind of like to see it close above 50.06.
Yeah, that's the best. Definitely above 06.
Everybody on YouTube, you guys can join our Discord if you like. It's for free. London session, we got all the streams up. So if you guys like to watch Lewis on Nasdaq, you can join Discord and watch his stream. Or if you want to see George trading or Aaron, they also got their streams up. And also we have an amazing community you guys can be part of. We have so much talented traders in here that are all willing to help out. So W to our community. Yeah. You guys are the best.
Yeah. Shout out to some community.
Shout out.
Let's go. Yes, sir. AB Mike. You already know. See you in NY, my brother. Catch them Z's to catch them pips.
AB moves through the alphabet. He catches W's and then he catches them Z's.
Right.
They go hand in hand, bro.
They don't get C's. See? How you right here?
Yeah, goalie is really indecisive. Holy.
Bro, I was about to say the same thing.
Also, W for us not getting baited, bro, because, I mean, everybody most likely lost. I mean, it's really hard to, I think, come away with a winning trade here today because it's so choppy. So everyone just got baited, buyers and sellers across this whole session so far. And we have not been baited. So,
yes, sir.
W Fisherman.
We got Legrand and Pitbull.
Hey.
W.
Let's go.
It's a worldwide.
It's a worldwide.
Yo, Pitbull was at the game, Scotland versus Ireland.
Oh, I saw that. I had real FOMO there actually. That was actually real FOMO.
Yeah, bro, that looked amazing.
Right.
Looked
Which
amazing.
stadium
In
was that?
Aviva Stadium.
Mm-hmm.
Aviva in Ireland,
Oh, Dublin. Oh,
Dublin.
He really is Mr. Worldwide.
for real.
Yeah, whatever. What's he doing in you know what is that? What's he doing there? Yeah, that must have been
Mr.
amazing.
Worldwide.
Pippo. Unfortunately, Scotland did not win. That would have been better. But neither did the Irish at the end of the day.
There was no
Good
luck of
weekends. Good weekend. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense, Pippo. Yeah, it's fine. It's very frustrating. Very. They win a big game and you're like, oh, maybe they can do it. And then, no, they cannot.
Sounds like their football team.
Oh, really?
A little bit. But you know what? I'm getting it done.
W, Pippo. W.
They did make the World Cup automatically. Nice.
Laren, didn't even know.
I knew it. That's why. I mean, but I knew they were already in or like in the playoff contention. I just had to clarify.
Yeah, nothing on Goldie.
Yeah,
That's
just about
it.
to say it too. That's it for me on Goldie.
Yeah, me too.
30-minute
I'm not
close
gonna say
below, but above. So nothing on the 30, 50 just closed. Still in the same range that we've been printing in for the tail end of the London session. If, like Yanosh has said, this 30 manages to close above 06, the buys look pretty clean. If you want to get more aggressive, there is an opportunity at 02.4 on the 15. I think it's worth a shot to execute some early buys. But other than that, nothing much, nothing really. The 1 hour closed back below, so the 1 hour looks good to short, right? But then you look at all the other time frames, 30-minute, 50-minute, they're all at pretty heavy supports. So just because the 1 hour now is strong bearish does not mean we could come down, as we saw at London Open. You know, we expected it to come down for the wick. And we instead went semi-bullish, and now we're just driving down. So yeah, nothing for me.
Yeah.
You guys?
Yeah, I would say
NYs.
yeah, wait for NY and then maybe get something like this for NY later. Then we will still continue being bearish, but might need a pullback here, so don't get baited into something.
Yep. See how this 4 hour closes as well.
Yeah.
That should tell us a lot of information.
But W, we avoided that one sell right here. We could have been into that, right? But yeah. W.
That would have been an insta kill.
Yeah.
Yeah. There were two entries as well. There were two
True.
opportunities to get in. Yeah.
Yeah.
The first one which we let go because the 15-minute was closing. And then the second one right here. So W.
Yes, sir. Big W, brother.
Does that conclude our session, my brothers and sisters?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I think it does.
Righty. YouTube, appreciate every single one of you for pulling up. If you want to see some more action, you can join our Discord. We're pretty much always active. If you want to trade New York and Asian session with us, you can check our website. If not, no stress. We'll see you again for London tomorrow morning. And the New York members, the AU students, we'll see you guys in a bit. Everyone stay blessed, stay safe, and go get some sun. All right?
So,
And remember,
Yes, sir.
all you need is a little something.
yes, sir.
Sir.
Peace, everybody. See you
Alrighty,
tomorrow.
Peace.
Peace.
Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Oh yeah, losing sleep just so I can keep on winning. Stat will smell like Stewie, now my stat like Peter Griffin. Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Oh yeah, losing sleep just so I can keep on winning. Stat will smell like Stewie, now my stat like Peter Griffin. I say how I feel, but I don't wanna overstep. I've been in the gym, was carrying weight on me, them times not counting reps. I hit my bro like, yo, what's good on the block? I ain't been there in a sec, I got that check. Do that shit in a minute and hit rock bottom again. Now I'm older, I don't eat chocolate, still them M&M's coming to me though. Still tryna ball like I'm in the Premier League. Like back when I mentioned Rico, mentioned Crib, gotta tell bro, smoke outside, cause I don't wanna lose my depot. Don't wanna lose my depot. Aye, put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Oh yeah, losing sleep just so I can keep on winning. Stat will smell like Stewie, now my stat like Peter Griffin. Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Oh yeah, losing sleep just so I can keep on winning. Stat will smell like Stewie, now my stat like Peter Griffin. You don't even stick to your word. They laughed at me back then, but look how the tables turn. Aye, the way I don't pick up the phone is starting to be a concern. Aye, the way I just lit that flame, that bridge just had to burn. Aye, look at the plaques. I should stream my life like Blackboy Max. I'm from the block though, just like you, they hear me, know that's facts. She called me out, I don't know how, I told her, babe, relax. Man, them know any problem can be solved with a little bit of cash. Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Oh yeah, losing sleep just so I can keep on winning. Stat will smell like Stewie, now my stat like Peter Griffin. Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Oh yeah, losing sleep just so I can keep on winning. Stat will smell like Stewie, now my stat like Peter Griffin.